Hello guys, today I will show you a simple technique to play the guitar, and I will also give some tips for people who have no idea how to play the guitar. First of all, I'll show you how to put the guitar and how to place the guitar on your knee. So you see this hole right here, you put it right here, and um in this case I'm using, let's say, I'm using classical Kato. So you'll see these metal things. They are called frets. Okay, these are called frets. So these change how you play the thing. For example, if you play it like this without any fret, it goes like this. But with a fret, it goes like this. Before I tell you anything else, please tune your guitar. Because if you do not tune your guitar, the guitar will not sound properly. Because you don't want your guitar to sound like this. Because that's a bit awkward. Yep, okay? Okay. Now, the first chord you're gonna learn in your whole life, the E minor chord. E minor chord. So what the short form for is capital E and then a M. And you play it by putting your the second finger on the, this is the fifth string. So the middle strings. So the first middle string is this one. The second one is this one. So you put your finger right here at the top, not exactly at the down at the first fret, but in the second fret, the space in the two frets, just higher, highest above the two frets, like right there. And then the second one goes like right there. So that is the E minor chord. Okay, E M chord, I'll just say. And then this is how it sounds like. If you're muting in this, just try to go up. So one good, better sound. Now I'll show you plucking now. Plucking is when you do that. So you pluck the string. Not too high, but you just pluck it. Plucking this, plucking this, plucking this, plucking this. Got it? Anyway, that's all you need for your beginner's night. I've told you all the things. Please tune your guitar. And that's all for today. Bye bye.